tangible impact of argument, but we all know that the political world goes much farther than that. Taking into account all symbolic effects that are rooted in every one of us, the emotional impacts have often real-life tangible impacts on a world scale. This time, we must address them. Homo sapiens evolved to carry out imperialistic actions toward resources that can help them flourish because the ocean is closest new frontier of the modern world. Humans naturally apply a colonial approach to their oceanic engagement, deeming the ocean as a mankind resource. Stern 12. Today's clamor is to develop the final frontier in the Arctic, the deep sea, and outer space. It's easier to hear the echoes of the centuries of people's cultural expansion. Civilization is divine ordinarily as the manifest destiny. The term manifest destiny was first used by journalist John Sullivan in 1845, writing that it was the right of our manifest destiny to spread over to possess the whole continent which provided has given us. The imperialistic behavior of Homo sapiens is hardwired into our genes and found in human evolution. Although there were pre-existing territorial claims in one of the last untouched regions of the world, Antarctica, the U.S. proposed a Manatee area as a UN trustship. As the common heritage of mankind, 1959 Arctic Treaty reserved for the regional exclusive for peaceful, non-extractive scientific purpose and model for global cooperation. Unfortunately, the goodwill short-lived in humanity looking forward to the next frontier. The next frontier is today's deep ocean, vast, abyssal, and plain, covering 6% of Earth's surface, intersected by ocean trenches. Rare hydrothermal vent ecosystems. Marine ecologist Fred Grassel says that deep sea may rival tropical regions. In the special present, with perhaps 10 million species, presently large hydrocarbon reserves are being developed in deep waters of the Gulf of Mexico, Brazil, and West Africa. We now understand to develop the Arctic, where global emissions have caused catastrophic loss of Arctic ice. Oil and gas are underway and may be more plain. There is a better way to govern our last final frontier. The first thing we need to do is a timeout. We need more science and deliberate thinking, rather than this frontier development will help or hinder our quest will be for a sustainable future. For deep sea, we need a better understanding of impacts. Large protected areas and deep sea permit free from commercial development. The Arctic is too important global climate regulation and biodiversity to leave the continental winds of coastal states and industrial. And instead of exploiting the energy and mineral resources in the frontier, we can simply increase the efficiency in which we use energy and materials, which use substantially